Welcome to I Love Pharmacology. Let's learn about pancreas. So, pancreas is a glandular organ which is present in the upper part of the abdomen. So, pancreas has got both endocrine and exocrine functions. So, in the exocrine function, there is a secretion of many digestive enzymes. Digestive enzymes such as first one, pancreatic amylase. Pancreatic amylase, which is responsible for carbohydrate digestion. The second secretion will be trypsin and chymotrypsin, which is responsible for protein digestion. And the third is pancreatic lipase. Which is involved in the triglyceride digestion. So the scattered among the exocrine portion, there is a tiny million clusters of endocrine secreting mass, especially the endocrine tissue, which is called as pancreatic islets, or it is also called as islets of Langerhans, which is responsible for secretion of many hormones through the different types of cells. So these islets of Langerhans contains 4 types of cells. Remember, it contains 4 types of cells which are secreting different hormones. Among these 4, the first one is the alpha cells, which is also called as A cells. So this will constitute about the 17% of the islet cell mass, and this is going to secrete the glucagon. So as you remember, glucagon is a hormone which will rise the blood sugar level. So next, coming to the another type of cell, that is beta cells, which is also called as B cells, which constitute about 70% of the islet mass, which will going to secrete the insulin. So as you know, all of you, insulin is a hormone which is responsible for lowering the blood sugar level. So next, coming to the delta cells, which is also called as D cells, which constitute about only 7%, which is responsible for secretion of growth hormone, release inhibiting hormone, which is also called as somatostatin. So in pancreas, it inhibits the it will going to inhibit the secretion of glucagon and insulin secretion. Whereas in the hypothalamus, it inhibits the synthesis and release of the growth hormone, and while as in case of GIT, it will going to inhibit the release of gastrin. And lastly, coming to the fourth cell, that is the F cells, which constitute the remainder portion of the islet cells, which is responsible for secretion of pancreatic polypeptides. So remember, F cells is responsible for secretion of pancreatic polypeptide, which mainly regulates the pancreatic digestive enzymes. So two things, it regulates pancreatic digestive enzymes, as well as it helps in the contraction of gallbladder. So this is about the pancreas in brief. Thank you.